This video will demonstrate the multiple databases function in NoteScribe Premium. With multiple databases, you will be able to set up new databases with fresh and empty categories, sources, and keywords. This will allow you to separate notes you may have, for example, for school, business, or home. So let's get started by setting up a new NoteScribe database. First, I want to show you how you can tell what database you are in. If you look down here at the bottom, you can see it's labeled database, and then it says NoteScribe main. This is the main NoteScribe database that we have set up as the default and will be set up as your default in Premium as well. To create a new database, all we have to do is go up to Tools and click Change Notes Database. To create a new database, all we have to do is scroll down to Create New Notes Database and go to the Name text bar. Here we can type in, for example, if we want a work database, we can type in work database and click Create Database. Click Yes and OK. And now, as you can see, in addition to NoteScribe main, we now have a work database. So we can store all of our notes for our work in here, and say, for example, in NoteScribe main, we already have all of our school information. Then we have separate databases for this, and I'll show you how the work database is emptied out, and there's nothing there. If you look at the work databases, you can see that there are currently no notes in there, and it was created on 9/4/08. And if we look at the NoteScribe main, you can see that you still have all your notes in there, all 45 of them, and nothing has been changed about the NoteScribe main database. So let's take a look really quick at the work database, and we'll go to Change Database. And as you can see, I no longer have any categories, sources, or keywords. So I have a new starting point with this work database that I've just set up. And again, I haven't lost any of my notes. They're all in a different database, so you don't need to worry about that. This just gives you a chance to have a fresh start and to be able to separate your notes and organize your notes even better than you could before. And as you notice down here at the bottom, it says database, and this is our work database. Now, to switch back to the NoteScribe main database, all I have to do is go to Tools and click Change Notes Database and go to NoteScribe main and then select Change Database. And once again, you can see all of our categories, all of our sources, and all of our keywords that we had previously at the beginning of the video. So that is how you set up and change your databases using NoteScribe Premium.